Alright, so you start at the main page. Mine's really big because I have a visual impairment. So you click on there, on student resources, and then you click down till you get to technology resources. Then you'll see where it says MS Office 365. And you will get this wall. And you're going to look for Office 365. Stay signed in. Yeah, whatever. And you should be able to install it if you click this right here. You're looking for Access. It's part of Office, along with Excel and a few other things. So there it is, just on the LCC. It should be free. Use your student login if it asks for it.